All right, everybody. Sorry for being late, but here's the grand prize drawing for the Easter hunt. The first prize will be for the grand prize winner, and the winner is Annie. Way to go, Annie! And second place, that was for the Love Your Body package, and that is a bottle of body wash, and it could be either the new He Wolf scent or the original Luxurious scent, and a body of the Luxurious scented body cream. And the winner for that is Annie again! Woohoo, Annie! Alright, and the final one is a $10 gift certificate. And that one goes to Nikki. Oh, I can't find you. There you go, Nikki. Alright, have a great night.